Look how tired my face is, the traveling from Fraser Hill to Genting Highland. But now I'm at Genting Highland! Woo! So actually the plan was to go this one. This one is the Windmill Swiss Garden, the 3 hotel combined 41st floor got the swimming pool, hot water swimming pool. And then the second plan was going to this Geo, but everything is full. Genting, everything is full. Then I'm living in a hotel that above shop lot, like above the shop, the budget hotel. This is what the last chance we got. We cannot miss. So the plan now, we are going to Awana Skyway. I mean, the Sky Avenue. Yes! After long years, I'm going to Sky Avenue. Right now I'm inside the cloud. Okay, I didn't bring any sweater and I'm just wearing one layer. Oh my god, it's freezing. I can't handle this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this, everything's flying. I even can see, oh my god, oh shit. Look at the Genting, the place that covered by clouds this morning. Premium outlets, main Genting, the cable car. Wow, nice. Guys, this is the morning view of Genting Highland. This is the top. Look, the cable car at the top. Wow, how amazing is this place. But my time, this place are closed. Oh my god, can't wait when it's open. I need to come back again and play it. Wow, so this is the Sky Lounge. So we are at the place that I wanted to go for years, and this is it. Woo! How cool is this place? I love this. Oh my god. finally, I made it. I made it to the top. I made it to the top. Woo! Look at how beautiful it is. The theme park. Oh my god. I love this. So I don't have much time to explore this mall, but still I explored this mall. I'm still very grateful for this, and it's time to leave this Genting Highland. This vacation, I'm going back to my home. At least I did things I want to see for years, and I saw it. I'm happy for that. Yeah. So let's go to home. Good news! I've reached home safely. But the truth is, I'm not still vaccinated yet. I could be revealed this vacation earlier before, but you know what I did for this vacation? I'm not vaccinated yet. I'm not still vaccinated yet. Now it's already 5 months. Now it's just 2 months for this vacation. The time period. So now it's been 2 months from the vacation, so I can reveal it bravely because I edited my MySejahtera profile that I get fully vaccinated, and I cheated the entire Malaysia. Like the place I go, FRASER'S Hill, I cheated. Even Genting Highland, the Sky Avenue guard, I cheated him. I'm already vaccinated, okay? It's just 2 days away from my vaccinated date. I'm so sorry, police or government, anyone watching. I cheated you guys. It's my wrong. I know, I'm really sorry, okay? But now, anyways, we already enjoy it. So, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Woo!